Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to enable startup app notifications on your Windows 11 or how you can disable it. You can do both, enable or disable. So let's dive into it. So the first one, you just have to follow the instruction. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go over here in the start menu. You have to right click, and what you have to just have to navigate to settings. Also you can go over here in the search and you can type settings and you can navigate. So I'll go for the settings. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to click on system, and what you have to do is after clicking on system you just have to scroll down and navigate to notifications. Now from here what you have to scroll down, and as you can see there is an option called startup notifications. So right now this is enabled, so I can disable this. If it is disabled you can enable like this. Same process you can disable, or the same process you can enable this, and this is how you can do this step. And once it is done you just have to close this, and you have to then you are all good to go. And this is how you can do this step, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.